In the middle of all this money, shows, clothes and hoes, you know I still think about my niggas.
La música de Harry.
You know my type, I'm official built. When I was 9, my mama sent me to the store to get the kids some milk. The beat is clean, I had to live through filth. Your dog'll get you pilt. For you to stand as tall, I gotta get you stilts. You got plans on getting rich, well consider this. The ones who expect the most favors ain't give you shit. I was the best cook, stepped on work with my right and left foot before you even knew how a connect looked. You know my pot game was textbook. You sold more dope than us, except push. The proof is how my neck look. I tell my bitch to get dressed up, but I keep the same shit on. New 20 bands in a fresh cut. Remember when I told Black to give me your mission? He pulled up in 15 minutes to give me your biscuit. I thought about this rap shit and had to stick to the business. I changed my mind, he didn't. Now he doing 20 in Clinton, and that could've been me. This supposed to be success, then why the fuck I feel stressed out and guilty? Damn, cause I'm paid and all my niggas in the feds or the grave, that shit killed me. That could've been me. I think about it every day. Yeah, that could've been me. That could've been me. I answer every call from jail, cause that could've been me. Real shit.
In the cold to get grimy out, they do you dirty for a kind of clout. The OG's throwing bombs like a timing route. I'm more comfortable with my diamonds out. This that hoodie under Army fatigue jackets with the lining out. After that one little run, you ain't been popping since. My plug guarantee me 50 Greg Popovich. See, that could've been me, stressed out, locking in. My young boy gon' pull up with that fire like he Papa Nicks. Yeah, that would've been me calling collect, telling my war stories to the vets. Free Hottie till it's backwards, free Dark Low and the rest. My hood going through a crisis, ain't no real niggas left, ain't no fathers. If you make it out your 20s, then you blessed. Got to change your situation when your mama and them stressed. If it's 60 when it's wholesale, it's 90 with the fat. Grab your pride and grab your scat. It get colder than Quebec, it could've been me.
This supposed to be success, then why the fuck I feel stressed out and guilty? Damn, cause I'm paid and all my niggas in the feds or the grave, that shit killed me. That could've been me. Yeah, I think about it every day. Yeah, that could've been me. That could've been me. You know what I'm saying? That could've been me. I do to deserve I answer every call from jail, cause that could've been me. Let's go. I kept my foot on their necks, right where it supposed to be. Over this hairy fraud shit, like the ghost of Chinks. I fucked my bitch until she soaked the sheets. I was destined to have a spot, guess at the top is where we supposed to meet. How we playing shit, you know for keeps. At 1100 an ounce, they hit my house, that's when I broke the lease. Y'all talk the street shit with no receipts, but thank God for the coca leaf and the flow that woke the streets. All I'm saying is that was us. You let our secrets out, electric chairs and get plugged up. Hit the trap and play this drug stuff, they gon' get a blood rush. I get a witness hit, fuck it, I get a judge touch. Cause I never loved much, I just had a trunk full of trouble. Enough dirt for a shovel, and 3 holes I had to juggle. What you know about visiting your family through a bubble, waiting on a court date like Duffel. That's my nigga, that could've been me. That could've been me.